In this video, we're going to show you how to install a Defiant doorknob combo pack. First, we'll install the deadbolt. You will need to ensure the door is open during the installation process. If you need to adjust the deadbolt latch, simply grab both ends and twist. If you have an area carved out for a faceplate, install the latch and use the included two 3/4 inch wood screws to secure. You will need to ensure the up arrow on the end of the deadbolt latch is pointing up. If your door does not have an area routed out for the faceplate, you can remove the faceplate and the base plate with a flathead screwdriver and attach the driving collar. Insert the flathead screwdriver in each corner and twist, prying apart the faceplate from the base plate. Pull the faceplate and the base plate off of the latch and attach the driving collar. Insert the latch into the door. Using a rubber mallet and a wood block, tap the latch into the door. Ensure the up arrow is pointing up. Bring the exterior deadbolt to the door. Ensure the tailpiece lines up with the hole in the cam on the latch. Ensure the key is not in the deadbolt and the latch is in the retracted position. While holding the exterior cylinder, bring the interior thumb turn to the door. Use the two 31/64 inch machine screws to secure the thumb turn to the exterior deadbolt cylinder. Ensure the screws are snug but not over tightened. Bring the deadbolt strike plate to the door frame. Use the two 2-inch wood screws to secure the strike plate to the door frame. Ensure the bore hole on the door frame is clear of debris. Insert the key into the cylinder and turn the key to test the functionality of the deadbolt. Next, we're going to install the doorknob. If you have an area carved out for a faceplate, simply install the latch and use the included two 3/4 inch wood screws to secure. If your door does not have an area routed out for the faceplate, you can remove the faceplate and the base plate with a screwdriver. Use a flat-headed screwdriver to pry apart the faceplate from the base plate. Remove the faceplate from the base plate and attach the driving collar. Insert the latch into the door. Using a rubber mallet and a wood block, tap the latch into the door. The dual backset design will accommodate both 2 3/8 and 2 3/4 inch backsets simultaneously. No adjustments are needed. Insert the exterior knob. The post should be at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions. Insert the interior knob onto the spindle. You may have to twist the thumb turn to set it properly in place. Insert the two 1 1/2 inch screws into the doorknob. Bring them to the knob by finger tightening them into place, then finish using a screwdriver slightly angled. Do not over tighten the screws. Insert the strike plate onto the door frame by using the two 3/4 inch wood screws. Make sure to bend the tab so that only the large sloped portion of the latch goes into the hole on the door frame. Test the keys in the knob with the door open to prevent accidental lockout. If you should have any questions, please call our customer service team at the phone number listed below. Thank you.